Alright, this video covers the third way that we could possibly handle it. It's probably going to take some programming or a little more effort on by Hitesh. Handle the multiple items on here on one line in the legacy site and the dynamically linking issue with the Milamigo site. Again, to recap the problem, we have multiple products on one line. If I were to click, if this were dynamically linked, it doesn't know which product to take us to. We suggested that you could, this happens to be the breakfast menu category, and the subcategory here in this case is sides. And we had suggested that if you were to click on any one of these, we could dynamically link each of these prices to the subcategory. But if we do this, the issue is going to be that, you know, on the legacy site we have to change each of these independently of changing it inside the Milamigo database. So we really want to have it linked. So if we're going to go with the option of dynamically linking the menu subcategory to each of these prices, then we would have to program the legacy site to display the items, all of the items inside of the menu subcategory. So for example, if I go to breakfast sides, here is the breakfast sides. I click on it, and this says sides. This is the subcategory. You probably call this breakfast sides, and these items would list. So we'd have to find some way to dynamically display this subcategory list inside of here. And that's probably ultimately where we want to go with this. However, we want to be able to launch this site ricky-tick. That means very quickly for you folks here in India. And I think what we're going to still try to do is to create these products to be similar or in the same fashion as a beverage item. Gavi's testing that. If it works, we'll do it this way. Maybe ultimately we do this. Maybe this is not as hard as I thought or will not take as long. So Hitesh, you have to let us know. Bottom line is, I don't want to maintain this list separately from the list here inside of the Milamigo database. Doesn't make sense to maintain two separate databases. It's only going to cause problems in the long run. And that is it.